Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add a 200 EMA on MetaTrader 5 software. So just follow me and follow the steps. So easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5 software, then choose your currency. For me, I will choose Euro USD. Okay, and after that, go to Insert, Indicator, then Trends, and choose Moving Average. Now you have to type 200 here. After that, go to on the period. After that, go to method and choose exponential, this one. And here you can choose the color if you want. So let's say, for example, blue violet. And here you can choose the thickness of your line. So let's say this one, for example, and click on OK. And as you can see, this is our 200 OMA. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.